How to become alpha male. Here are 5 best habits of alpha male, but habit number 5 is most important. Before I start, you should know this channel is all about self improvement. So, could you subscribe it if you are interested in personality development videos? Let's start with habit number 1 is fear knowledgeable. Alpha guys are clever. They have a responsible understanding about most of the items, for instance, what is operating in this planet, where advancements are going, what might we see in future, what possibilities are around them, and most of the other required topics that may become beneficial for them. In our world, information is vital that assists us in getting better skills, and our skills determine our present future employment that determines 50 to 60% of our life circumstances, such as financial, relationship, and health that all require money to run. So habit number 1 is fair knowledgeable. Habit number 2, risk taker. Alpha males are primarily risk. They have lot fever of anxieties because they want to comfort their worries. They accept risk those seems to them as advantageous and worth taking. This conduct helps learn more tasking quality hazard and quality risk have the capacity to affect your life. It does not imply that you start taking loads of certain risks for feeling like an alpha man. You have to study your risk from top to bottom before taking them. However, for later one, employ your brain power prudently and find out it is worth your effort or not. Habit number 3, help people who need. Alpha males only add individuals who need help in truth, not for displaying that they are compassionate or helpful. They believe it is a waste of their time to add someone who did not require their support and can perform his her task by itself. It is also avoid them from getting in any problem due of others. Sometimes when you others require your aid, although you know that you can do it by themselves, then you are spending your time on a dumb thing, or you will be going to go into any issue because of that person. There is something stupid about the task. That is what makes he she contacted you when they are also competent to perform it by themselves. After most, I believe you understand. So, habit number 3, help people who need. Habit number 4, need of reason. Yes, alpha males occasionally do things that did not have any justification. For instance, there are many of individuals who assist others because they desire any benefits it return. But if you question from any alpha guy that why they help you, most of the time they will not have any reason to tell. However, sometimes alpha males do stupid things to have more delight or for the purpose of others without understanding precisely why they are doing it. And if you inquire from them why, would probably say they did it because it feels appreciated for them. They do things that they believe are right, even though everyone is against and they did not have strong explanation. Habit number 5, ambitious. Alpha males are highly ambitious about the job they perform and their success. Yet, with that, they also learn to love the trip between their objectives and aspirations, since the most of the time they are going to spend is in that period. This mentality is what makes them incredibly successful in their life. For some, working hard is a hardship, but for them, it is a challenge and accomplishing it. It's delightful. So that's in these are some of the proven ways you may employ to simplify your life. But don't merely watch this video and go about your business. Write up 3 projects that you can start this week. Let me know what you are intending to try. I would love hearing about it. And what are your favorite rules for living more simple life? Tell me in comment section. Thank you.